Hey friends, Paulie here, your favorite coffee and energy drink chugging mechanic. I'm here to do a quick video, little tool review if you will, on some lights. Alright, so what I got here, I bought these both from Harbor Freight. I got no skin in the game, I bought them both. They were not provided to me. This is an Icon, this is like their premium brand, and this is a Braun, which is like their budget brand or whatever. This one is 500 lumens. This one is supposedly 800 lumens. I will say right off the bat, in the feel of the hand, this does feel a little bit more premium. Okay. Now notice it does only fold one way, but you do have a light here, and you have a smaller light here, as well as a point beam here. This one here, you only have this 500 lumen, the point beam still, and a label on this side, no light. However, the way that this one stands apart from this one is it can bend any way you want it to bend. So I do kind of like that. As far as the magnet goes, this magnet feels a lot stronger than this one. Like, yeah, it's not letting it loose, but oh, there it goes. It let it loose. As far as light goes, so when you put this on its highest beam, as you can see, it lights up Kit's engine bay pretty well. Now, for usability, I will say that it magnets on here. I'm tapping it pretty decently, and it's not falling off. I just like that this bends this way. It, I can bend it, whichever way I want to. But as you can see, it provides a pretty good amount of light for working in a confined space. And of course, you can move it, you can put it on the frame. All right. As far as the Icon goes, on its brightest setting, there you go. It does look a little brighter, I guess. But again, I can't bend it this way. So if I want to, I have to, really rearrange it. I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter either way. Oh, wow, that's bright. Because you still do have the backlight. That one's pretty bright still. And of course, you have the point. The point light's pretty good on this one. The bottom line is, this one's $39.99. This one's $29.99. They both fold up into a small shape. Pretty small form factor. The Icon one is a little bit smaller. But is this worth the extra money? Or would you make do with this? Me personally, I went out and actually, after using this, I bought two. Actually, I now have three of them. I have one in my truck. I have one in my little travel box. And then I have one for the garage. I bought this one on a whim. Just because I thought it would be nice. And it is pretty nice. Like I said, it feels really premium in the hand. But it'll go either way. Make the decision for you, whichever fits you. Is this worth the extra money, $39.99 versus $29.99? That's it. Make your decision. But they're both good lights. Very good options. Way better than anything, and cheaper than anything you would get off like a tool truck or anything like that. So, but it'll go either way. Decision up to you.